Want me to hit it with the light?
Yeah.
Probably bolt. I'll try the red light first. See if that. I don't know if it'll get out that far.
I could see its ear.
See the eyes?
No.
The red won't mess it up. Alright, I'm gonna try the white light. It'll probably bolt.
There it is.
Just chilling. See how close I can get to it. Hey, baby. Oh, never mind. Hey, you didn't go very far. See? Man, that's craziness. Ain't that some crap? We make all this dang noise. Dude just gonna stand here and I'm moving around and crap. Shining a light. Why can't they do that in hunting season?
I know.
I'm just like, I could have shot you.
This is literally. Now we know which cabin to stay in for hunting camp.
Like, look, I can just throw a spear. And just take it.
If you miss, just throw another one.
Just throw another one because you'll just run like 2 feet. Man, that's some crap.
It's going to the camp.
Ain't that some crap?
It's going to go to the gazebo.
Oh, it's going to go hang out in the gazebo. Oh, I can get shot.